Hey guys, I am Veer and today I am going to show you how to make name tag. As you all know, this is the season of back to school, so I am making name tag for my bag, for my pencil box and for my bottle. So I have an idea. If their bags are misplaced, bottle are misplaced or pencil box are misplaced, you can put the name tag on it and it will never get misplaced and you can spot it easily. So let's start making the name tags now. For making the name tags, you will need one single paper punch, scissors, shoelaces, key rings, glue stick, ivory sheet. I am using my old birthday cards and some stickers and lamination sheet and some decorative sketch pens. So let's start. So I am using my last year birthday invitation card to make the name tag. Now let's cut it. I've cut this. The superhero, my name Viraj and some stars. So I am using the glue stick to paste these cutouts. I am pasting the superhero here. Turn this on other side. Now I'll paste my name. Now I'll paste some stars. Now let's laminate the name tag. Open the lamination sheet. Put the name tag inside. Put this on a hard surface. And put a cloth over it. My dad is helping me to laminate the sheet. This is how it will look like after the lamination. Now use the scissors to cut it. Now it looks like this. Let's punch it now. Use a single punch machine and punch it. For clipping, you can use shoelaces or key rings. Now my name tag is ready. This is how it looks like. Isn't it nice? Like this, for my best friend, I have made this with using minion stickers, blue colorful tape and fluorescent pink ivory sheet. For my dad, I have made this using green sheet, black pen. I have made this for my massi using stickers, yellow ivory sheet. I have made this for my mom using smiley faces, key ring and blue ivory sheet. So guys, comment down below which was your favorite from this card. My favorite was this one. Like the video, smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next Friday. Bye.